Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by identifying your Gigabyte motherboard model and revision so you download correct drivers. This prevents mismatches. Next, open the vendor support page and save chipset, LAN, audio, and graphics drivers to a clean USB stick. Once done, create a Windows System restore point and backup essential files so you can recover quickly if something goes wrong. Make sure secure boot or encryption won't block installers. Then proceed to the installers on the USB. Begin with the chipset driver because it defines how Windows talks to motherboard controllers. Run its installer as administrator and reboot when prompted. After reboot, install LAN and storage drivers so network and disk controllers initialize correctly. Then install audio and VGA drivers. If an installer fails, use Device Manager. Right-click the device, choose Update Driver, and manually point to the extracted INF folder. Make sure to reboot after major installs, so the OS. Finish by opening Device Manager, expand key categories, and verify drivers show without warning icons and match version numbers from Gigabyte. This confirms successful installation. Then run Windows Update to pick up any complementary Microsoft-signed drivers and patches. If hardware misbehaves, roll back the offending driver from Device Manager or boot to safe mode and uninstall the problematic package. Afterwards, reinstall the correct driver. One troubleshooting tip. If a new BIOS is required, follow Gigabyte's BIOS update instructions precisely to avoid bricking the board.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.